Yeah, oh. First order came in pretty quickly. It might be a mistake, to be honest. I didn't really look at it too much. I realized that it's not that great, but we're gonna take it anyways, just to get the day started. This is Black Rock Coffee, $7.75, going 5 miles. Should I steal one?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. Should be this building. I just don't know where the door is. Just might be this one. Yes, it is. Next up, Starbucks, $7 and some change, going about 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
I just got the next order. This is going to be for IHOP. $7 going 3 miles.
Yeah. Thank you. It's not very much, but yeah, it still adds up.
No wait at all. But there's a catch. There's always a catch. It's a handed to customer order.
Oh, sir.
Hello. Have a good one.
You see?
Yeah, thank you. This one is Chick-fil-A, $10 going 6 miles. Thank you.
There you go. How's it going?
You too. There is a catch. There is always a catch. This one is going downtown on a weekend.
Floor 3.
Just got the next order. This one is a Chick-fil-A, $7 going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Wait, wasn't too bad there. Not mad at it. Finally got an order. This is a stacked Starbucks. $10 going 3.5 miles. All right, well, I finally got something. Doesn't mean it's good, but it's something. Got a shop and deliver for Target. $13 going 2 miles, 8 items. Ooh, this is dangerous. Putting me in the candle section. 30, 39, 38, 37, 36. You are parked right in front of my spot, buddy. Unfortunately, I think we are in the era of everybody's in recovery from all the holiday spending, plus New Year's resolutions of eating less junk food. So both of those combined equal to me having to sit around and or not get many orders. Current time is 10:40. Current total is 61, and I should have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably close to 70 if I had to guess. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.